Texas and California are two of the largest and most populous states in the United States, but they are also quite different in several ways. Here are some of the key differences. Size: Texas is the second largest state in the U.S., covering an area of approximately 268,596 square miles. While California is the third largest state, covering an area of approximately 163,696 square miles. Population: California is the most populous state in the U.S., with a population of approximately 39.5 million. While Texas is the second most populous state, with a population of approximately 29 million. Economy: both states have large and diverse economies, but California has a larger gross domestic product, GDP, than Texas, making it the largest state economy in the U.S. California's economy is driven by technology, entertainment, and tourism, while Texas is known for its oil and gas industries, as well as agriculture, manufacturing, and technology. Climate: Texas has a more diverse climate, with hot summers and mild winters in the southern part of the state and colder winters and hot summers in the north. California has a more Mediterranean climate, with mild, wet winters and hot, dry summers. Politics: Texas is known for its conservative political leanings, while California is known for its liberal politics. Education: California has a larger number of top-ranked universities than Texas, including Stanford, Caltech, and UC Berkeley. Texas has several highly regarded universities as well, including the University of Texas at Austin and Rice University. Overall, both states have their own unique characteristics and strengths, and which one is better depends on personal preferences and priorities.